Hey, quick question for you. I know this is not the first time you're hearing this, but an army of 99 sheep led by one lion faces an army of 99 lions led by one sheep. Who will win? Your answer to this question says a lot about whether leadership is underrated or whether it's given the rightful place in your business. This morning on LinkedIn, someone shared a video of 3 professional footballers who played in a novelty match with 150 or even up to 200 school kids, primary school kids. And I tell you, within the clip, the ball possession was 100% among these 3 professional footballer players. And then they scored, even with the 200 youngsters in the pitch. So for some reason I don't understand, many companies hire quantity over quality. So they would rather fill their company with 200 underqualified employees than spend money and hire 2 or 3 highly qualified experts that can move the business forward. Anyway, tell me what you think. An army of 99 sheep led by one lion, and then an army of 99 lions led by one sheep. Which one do you think will win? In the meantime, keep showing up, because you just never know what's next. Have a wonderful day.